Here is the extension installation process. I am selecting Install for all admins profile and initiating Confirm button. For now, we go with a free trial. Extension now installed. Next, authorize QuickBooks Online and Zoho CRM with your existing account. Once authorized, then it redirect to extension settings page. You will need to enter your QuickBooks Online company ID. Go to QuickBooks Online and press below command. Now copy this company ID and paste into our extension company ID input field and click Save. Next, we move into Mapper tab. Contact synchronization. Now go to field configuration. Before sync contacts, you need to map your CRM fields with QuickBooks fields. If once mapped your fields, click Save Changes. Once your mapper updated successfully, now you can start syncing by pull from QuickBooks Online button. Now your contacts synced with Zoho CRM seamlessly. Product synchronization. Same as contact synchronization, check field mapping. Click Pull from QuickBooks Online. Once synchronized, you will see last sync date and time. Contact creation. Go to Zoho CRM Contacts module. Click Create Contact. Fill fields with valid values. Click Save. Once you click Save, if the contact is not present in QuickBooks, it will create. Contact update. If you change a field in CRM, it will instantly update in QuickBooks. Product creation. Go to CRM Products module and click Create Product. Fill mandatory fields. Click Save. Then click Create or Update Product in QB button. Here fill all the details and click Create or Update Product. If product is not present in QuickBooks, it will create product in QuickBooks. Product updation. Here change unit price field and again click Create or Update Product. Now it will instantly update it in QuickBooks as well. Invoice creation. You can create invoices from CRM to QuickBooks. By default, sales orders is selected. Before create invoice, check field configuration. Once all fields are mapped and updated, go to Create Sales Orders. Fill all the mandatory fields for invoice creation. Click Save. Now, open Create Invoice in QuickBooks Related List. Here, check all products are mapped and choose taxes. This is visible when multi-currency is enabled in QuickBooks. Now click Create Invoice. Now you can see invoice created successfully. Invoice creation from invoices. Select Invoices config. If you are going to create invoice from invoices, then confirm by click Yes, then go to Create Invoice. Fill mandatory fields for invoice creation. Click Save. Check all products are mapped. Click Create Invoice. Now invoice created successfully from invoices. View invoice details in Zoho CRM.
Here, you can easily see average days to get paid for invoices and current overdue payments in percentage. And also see current aged receivables for this customer and invoice cards.
If you click on Invoice Card, you will see in detailed invoice for unclicked invoice card. Here, you can view specific invoice details like balance due, amount received, and more. Thanks for watching.